In this video, I'll take you through the process of diagnosing and fixing a P0299 Turbocharger Underboost Condition. The customer came in with the check engine light on, so I connected a scan tool and confirmed the P0299 error code. During a road test, I monitored live data and noticed the manifold absolute pressure sensor reading was below the specified range of 6 to 7 psi, which indicated a possible issue with the turbocharger system. To investigate further, I used the scan tool to activate the turbocharger boost control solenoid, but didn't hear the expected audible click. This suggested a problem with the solenoid. I disconnected the connector from the solenoid and inspected the terminals, wiring harness, and connector for any visible faults, but found none. Next, I used a multimeter to measure voltage and ground at the connector. Activating the circuit with the scan tool showed the specified 5 volts and less than 100 millivolts present, so the wiring was intact. Then I measured the resistance of the solenoid itself and found no continuity, confirming that the turbocharger boost control solenoid was faulty. The fix involved replacing the faulty turbocharger boost control solenoid. After the replacement, I cleared the codes, performed another road test, and verified that the vehicle was operating properly. The check engine light stayed off and no fault codes returned. If you're facing a P0299 error code or suspect issues with your turbocharger boost control solenoid, this video will help you understand how to diagnose and fix it effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below.